Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is Tuesday, July 30th. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I wanted to come back on today to announce the winners of my giveaways for the Christmas in July Hop sponsored by Scrap Diva Designs. And then I wanted to show you a few projects I made with some of the new dies that are coming out on August 1st. So I just wanted to show you some so you can get an idea of what they look like if you want to put them on your list to order. So we'll get to that, but first I wanted to go ahead with the winners of the giveaway. And if you watched my video over the weekend, thank you so much to everybody who watched and left such nice comments on my projects. But I made this little gable box. It's the 3D or a gift box from Scrap Diva Designs, and I made a doodlebug design with a little like whimsical pincushion inside, a pie one, and then I made a Frank Garcia 25 and peppermint, same kind of thing, but with more of a gingerbread feel and a gingerbread pie cushion on the inside. So I chose winners randomly with my random YouTube comment picker, and whoever came up and said that they wanted the one or the other, the first person was the one who I selected. So the winner of the Doodlebug box and the $10 gift certificate to scrapdivadesigns.com is Julia Madigan 5934. Julia, congratulations. Please email me down or at the email address in the description box, and we'll talk about where you want me to send this and where to email your gift cards from Scrap Diva Designs. So congratulations. And the winner of the Frank Garcia prize is Stitching with the Birds. Please do the same thing. Email me at the email address in the description box down below. I messed up the same way twice. But anyway, thanks again for everybody who entered my giveaway. I'm looking forward to getting these off to you, as well as the $10 gift cards to scrapdivadesigns.com. And, don't worry, there'll be plenty more giveaways in the future if you didn't win this one. All right, so let's move on to the projects that I have for you for this week. Well, I don't know if it's for the whole week, but for now. So like I said, these are dies that I used from the August release, which is coming out on, what day is the 1st? That will be on Thursday. So I do have my referral link. It's always in the description box of my videos, as well as my coupon code Strawberry Cream. Use those at checkout. I get a commission, which I really appreciate. Doesn't affect your cost, but just, it helps me out my channel. And of course, the coupon code helps you guys with the 10% off. So thank you so much to everybody who uses that. I know I say that all the time, but I can't stress to you enough how happy that makes me and how much of a difference it makes. So these are the dies that I used. The main die that I used is this one. I couldn't wait to use this. This is called the 3D Barn Gift Box. And I use this because the first project I created from this release was a 3D or a cute pig. And it was so cute, so I wanted to make him a little home. So this is the barn gift box set. So it comes with all of these dies, and it is very easy to put together. I didn't have a tutorial or anything yet, but I only had to ask Erica one time about something, and it was about these pieces I wasn't sure what to do with, but I'll show you those. So anyway, it comes with the two end pieces that obviously form the shape of a barn, and then there are side walls. These are the sides. You cut out two of those as well. And then there's a bottom, which is this big square here. And then there are layering pieces, windows. This is actually trim on the roof. So it makes a really cute gift box, so cute. I made two versions just because I loved it. And then, like I mentioned, I did make the little piggy before, the cute pig. So I went ahead and made all of the animals. And the animals are in the regular metal die form, and it comes in a plate, so you're able to keep all the little pieces together. And it's good to have those because they make the cutest little layering pieces for your piggy. So there's the pig one. And then let me show you the other ones before I show you the project, because actually all of these animals I put onto the first barn that I made. So this is the cow, and the cow, you can make two different versions. You can make this cow with the ears that go like this, or a cow with the ears that go like that. And I'm not up on my differences of cows. I assume this is a bull. I don't know, but they're very cute. I just made this one though. And then it comes with layering pieces too, which I still have a piece in there. So this is a piece for the mouth, and then there are spots and all sorts of cute little layering pieces. So that's the cow, and then there is a cute horse as well. So this horse is super cute. Lots of layering pieces again. Sorry, I don't know why I don't take these out before I start my video, but anyway, this is the horse die you get. So you get the main piece, you get all the different layering pieces, which is so nice because you could pop some up on foam tape and make it look nice and dimensional. There's a tail, there's a little piece of hair or part of his mane that comes over the top of his head. And then there are pieces for the feet and the eyes and, you know, just everything. So I will show you those, of course. And then the other ones I'll show you in a second. But let me show you this first gift box that I made. So this is the 3D barn gift box that I made, first of all, in a typical barn kind of style. And I just am in love with this. Okay, so let's start at the front. So obviously I added a little cow here, and isn't he so cute? I used that tan paper with the embossed dots on it from Joann's, and that comes in different colors. There's white, there's pink, and I probably have all of them, and I love those because it just adds a little texture with still acting like a solid. So I used that, and then I used this heart paper that I got from Etsy, and the eyes, of course, from the die set, and yeah, all the layering pieces I put on, and I did pop up the like a cheeks part on foam tape to give it some dimension, and then I added some diamond dots on the cheeks, which it does cut out little holes for, but I thought the diamond dots looked cute there. And then I added some white gel pen for highlights on the eye. So anyway, so that's the front of the barn. I used the different layering pieces that come with the die set. There's a door and a window, and the door I just had to add this little chicken paper behind it because it, you know, just looks like it's looking inside, and I thought that was so cute. And these are all just papers from my stash. I just went and looked for ones that I thought would look good on a barn. So that's the front of it. And if we turn it to the side, we have obviously one of the little horses that I made, and I just used the yellow papers and different versions of the same paper from Etsy. And then I added a little window with the little chicken again. And then the back, I added one of the doors and two of the windows. And then on this side, I added a little piggy. This is different from the other one I made. This one has a pink nose. The other one I made had a black nose. Another little window with a little chicken peeking out the side. And I left the layering pieces on this box because, of course, they're stitched, which Erica always does, which just adds such a nice look to your projects. And then for the roof, I did not add the scallop trim on this roof because I just wanted it to look really rustic. So I found a wood grain paper in my stash, so I used that for the roof piece. And then the bottom is just plain, obviously. So let me measure this before we go ahead and open it up. So from top to bottom, this gift box, it's such a nice size. It's about 5 inches. And then side to side, it's about 4 inches. And then depth-wise, it's 4 inches too. So did I measure this part? Yeah, 4 inches. Okay. So it's a really, really nice size. I mean, obviously you can see how nice and big it is. And it comes together really well too. I used white 110-pound paper for the base because, you know, I just want it to be nice and stable, and then just regular cardstock and whatever weight you want for the layering pieces. So the way the roof works is you cut out 2 pieces of the roof and then glue them on top, but you don't glue it all the way so you're able to open it, obviously. So I tied a ribbon on the top. There are lots of different ways you could close this. You could put like a clip, like a binder clip, and add some charms or something. You could use removable dots or some Velcro. But I like the idea of a ribbon because it looks like a gift that way, and that way you could just, you know, untie it and open it easily. So when you open it, you want to leave these tabs unglued, of course, so you could look inside. And I have butterflies on the paper just because that's the other side of this wood grain paper. I didn't really want them to be there, but they're there, so it looks fine. And then I put that chicken paper on the bottom as a layering piece. But isn't that huge? It's really, really nice and big. So I think this would make a great gift box, of course. You could do favors if you wanted to. I think if I do this as a gift box, it'll be for a crafty friend because, you know, it took a lot of time to make all the animals, paper piece everything. So, you know, crafty friends appreciate when you put this much effort into a gift box, I think. And then they can use it as decorations or storage, you know. And I just think the barn theme is so, so cute. So that is my first example. The second one I made into a Halloween house because I just wanted to, or a Halloween barn. I wanted to, change it up and see how else it would look. So I did use a couple other of the new die sets from the August release. This is the lowercase alphabet, and I use this for the letters in my project, and you can't really tell here, but it looks really cool when you cut them out because it looks just a little bit different from letter to letter, so it has like a really whimsical look to it, and I'll show you, of course. And the symbols that this one comes with are these, I forget what these are called, but the parentheses that look like brackets, maybe they're just brackets, and then an ampersand and a $sign. So I used that, but I wanted to use an exclamation point too. So the exclamation point is on the uppercase alphabet. So if you get both of those, you'll have all of the different like punctuation kind of symbols. So this one comes with obviously the uppercase letters, comes with the numbers, and this one comes with, does this one come with numbers? This one does not come with numbers. Okay, the lowercase does not, but the uppercase comes with the numbers and the question mark and the exclamation point. And of course, if you want to use periods, you could also, just use the zeros or the bottoms of zeros, the bottoms of the question mark and exclamation point. So I think it's good to have both of these. You can mix and match them. And of course, if you want just the numbers, then you'd want to get the uppercase. So let me show you what I used. And I used the Doodlebug Halloween collection from last year called Sweet and Spooky, which I love. Doodlebug is coming out with a new Halloween collection, which I saw on their Instagram page, which is super cute, but I really like the colors of the Sweet and Spooky the best. So I was glad that I got it last year. I actually even just ordered some more. So anyway, this is my project, and look at how cute this is, you guys. Oh my gosh. So let me just show you the letters quick. So there's Hey, and you can see what I'm talking about. Like they look a little bit different, like the Y is bigger, the line for the E is up here, the hump for the H comes all the way up here. So it looks so nice and whimsical. So I cut that out twice out of pink foam and some yellow paper from the Doodlebug collection, and it just looks like a thicker. And then I added some puffy stickers over here. And then on this side, I added Boo and then the exclamation point from the uppercase set. And then I added a ghost, of course, for the Boo. And isn't the roof so cute on this one? This one I used the scallop die sets from the Barn gift box set. And I'm so glad that Erica included 2 of these because I used 10 different parts, 10 different pieces on each side of the roof. So you could go all the way up if you wanted to. You don't have to pack them as densely as I did either. I just like how it looks, so that's what I did. You could stagger them a little bit, further apart, so you wouldn't need to use 10 for the half of the roof. But I do like how it looks like that, and I used some kind of like purple matte metallic paper for that, and that was from Sizzix, I believe. And I just love how they looked. And then I added, this here is a sticker from the Sweet and Spooky collection on the cardstock sticker that comes with the paper pack. So I just cut that to size and added it as kind of like a, just like a finishing line on that part of the roof. And I really, really like how that looks. So then on the front of the box, this is all from Sweet and Spooky. There's cut-aparts, there's puffy stickers. Look at that, isn't that so cute with the little witch and the black cat behind the barn door. So I just, I obviously fussy cut them so you could see them really cutely. Added a bunch of puffy stickers. I love this paper back here with it's a pink base with the cute little critters on it. And I cut this, the frame of the box out of this purple AC cardstock paper. And then this is a big clay candy corn that I got, I think it was from Etsy. So that's the front of the box. If you turn it to the side, I added 2 little windows, and there's just like a spooky girl peeking out and a spider with a spider web, and I added some clay candies with black and white. And then on the back, you have this creepy little guy peeking out, another candy cane or candy corn. I don't know if I say candy corn or cane in the front, but candy corn. And then I made this little piece of ephemera with this scalloped circle die that I had in my stash, and then a sticker from the collection of a cute little spider. And then on this side, 2 more windows with some Laughing Pumpkins, and this comes from, I think it was the strips paper from the Doodlebug collection. And so on this one, I alternated the paper. On the front and the back, I have this cute pink one, and then on the sides, I have this black paper with the stars. And of course, I added the clay candies on this side as well. And I just love it. I am in love with this cute little box. So that's why I'm saying, you know, give something like this to a crafty friend, someone who will appreciate it, not someone who will just throw it out with their gift wrap. I mean, they could do whatever they want with it. But anyway, on the inside, I tied it together with this pretty ribbon that I got recently from Hobby Lobby. I knew I would have use for a pretty purple ribbon, and this is perfect. So on the inside, I didn't add anything. I actually forgot to put in a layering piece for the bottom, so I will do that. But the roof part is glued on except for the very center of it. Of course, you can get in and out of it. I think you could probably turn this into a tissue box if you wanted to. Yeah, I think it's a cute little decor box. It kind of reminds me of like a Happy Meal box. So I love this one. I love them both. I love the regular barn one, especially because it has those cute animals, the paper pieced animals from Erica. But Doodlebug is just, you know, I love that. And I love the roof on the Doodlebug one. So let me know which one you like better. I would love to know what your thoughts are. If you like them both, that's great too. So anyway, that is my share for today. I hope you liked everything. Hope it gave you some ideas of what to do with the new dies from the August release. If you're thinking about getting some, again, my referral link is down below, as well as my coupon code Strawberry Cream. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be back soon with more videos. Don't forget the winners of my Christmas in July hop. Please email me within the next couple days, and we'll organize your gifts and email gift cards to you. All right, everyone, that's it for today. Thanks again for watching, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Have a great day. Bye.